How to customize a Shopify store. Customizing a Shopify store enhances brand identity and user experience, and if you are here for that, then go ahead and follow these instructions here. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and show you my online store. My online store is actually very basic. As you can see, it has almost nothing in it except that I have added 2 products in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this for now because I'm going to go ahead and show you some customization that you can do. Now take note that there are so many customizations that you can do that this tutorial is not going to be enough of it. Some of them are here in the channel, so go ahead and check that out. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and see our online store, and then you should see here the themes. Now here in the themes section, we're going to go ahead and make some changes. Number 1, of course, is a theme. We're going to add a theme. Instead of this very boring default theme that we got here, we're going to change this one. So go ahead and scroll down and you should see an option here that says visit theme store. So I'm going to click this. Alright, now that we are here, we're going to go ahead here on the left side corner. Now for the price, we have here a free version and a paid version. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a free version first, and I'm going to go ahead and show you there are a lot of options that we can use. For example, this one here is for free, so I'm going to go ahead and click this one. Alright, and go ahead and click try theme. Alright, now we're going to scroll down and you should see it in here. Okay, now that it has been added, we're going to go ahead and publish it. Click publish. And we're going to check it out. Refresh this one here. And there you go. So this is like the most basic customization that you can do. And as you can see, it has made our store a lot better. So we're going to go back here and we're going to go ahead and click customize in order for us to further have it better. Alright, another thing that we are going to check is this one here, the theme settings. Go ahead and click this one. Alright, now here you can go ahead and click this. You can upload your own image here. So this is our logo and it's going to be here somewhere at the top. I'm just going to go ahead and find my logo and basically upload it here. Alright, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and put it here. Okay, that's my logo. As you can see, it is now here. Now, if I were to scroll down, I can also add a favicon. I'm just going to go ahead and use the same favicon or logo in here. Alright, there you go. Now we have a favicon, so we're going to go ahead and see it in action. Save this one here. So it should be somewhere here. Let's try to check if this is going to change. Then we have successfully added the favicon. Alright, there you go. So now you can see that the favicon is already there. Now we're going to go back here. Colors, of course, you can click this one here and then try to change this color. So for example, you have here a different scheme. So if you want to add more, you can click this one here and choose your own scheme colors. I'm just going to go ahead and choose the default one, and I'm going to go ahead and click typography. Now here in the typography, here is where you can change your font. So you have here the font for your body. Click this one here, and then you can go ahead and make some few changes here. For example, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one, for example. And scroll down, you should see it in here. Yep, there are changes that is happening here. So for example, that one. Alright, there you go. So there are more here. Go ahead and try to choose what you want. I'm going to cancel this one because I like the look of it earlier. Now scroll down and you can also adjust the font size. Now for the layout, click this one here, and yep, still the same thing. You can definitely make some changes. Do you have here a lot more changes? We have animations, buttons, variant pills, inputs, product cards, collections cards, and so on and so forth. So go ahead and try to choose which changes you want to do. For example, if I were to insert my social media, I can click this one and just go ahead and scroll down here. For example, we're going to go ahead and insert our YouTube. Alright, so this is our YouTube link. I'm going to go ahead and put it here. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to put some maybe like random Facebook. Okay, so say for example, this is our own Facebook and Instagram. Alright, there you go. So we're going to see it in here right there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this one. You can see them now here. So for example, if I were to click this one here, this is the YouTube. I should be redirected to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to click this. There you go. Now, if they are through Instagram and Facebook, then still the same thing. So if I were to click this one, for example, you can see it says therefore not found because again, that is not a real one. Alright, but yep, that's basically how it works, everybody. This is very important, by the way. Custom CSS, if there are some designs that you want to alter here, you can definitely do this one. Now, say for example, you want to add some element, okay? Or block. So this is actually very helpful. Now, if you want to add a new section, click this one here and you can go ahead and try to find something in here. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and try to add, say for example, a video. So I'm going to click this one. Alright, so we have now a new section for a video. Now I'm going to click this video here, so that's how it looks right now. And then I'm going to go ahead and find some video on my channel. Alright, say for example, I'm going to go ahead and embed this one. I'm just going to copy it. There you go. Now go back here and I'm going to go ahead and put the URL in here. And you should see it in here. So we're just going to go ahead and make some changes. If you want to have a description, go ahead and try to put it here. So yep, in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this one. Streamlabs. Alright, there you go. Now, this is actually very important. As you can see, it doesn't have any video cover. That is because we didn't put it here. However, if you have a cover, say for example, if I have this one here, I'm just going to go ahead and upload it here. Or you can also click this one here to look for some free images, right? So you can definitely do that as well. There are different categories here that you can use, for example, work and productivity. Alright, there you go. So I can just go ahead and find some images here. So I'm going to go ahead and use, say for example, this one here. Alright, just like that. Okay, that's how it is going to look. Now I'm going to go ahead and select it and then save it. Now go back here and this should change. Yep, there you go. So yeah, simple as that. Again, go ahead and try to customize it according to what you want. There are so many customizations that you can do here. Some of them are not found here, but you can see it in our channel. So yeah, thank you everybody. That is how you're going to customize your Shopify store. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.